Right, so we're setting my marking gauge, half ball, so that's a half ball, so that's that set. The bit on the hinge, the bit with the gap there, always goes to the door, so it's got 2 points on the hinge, that always goes on the door. So, assuming we've already marked the position with our rod, we'll just mark it the hinge. Mark the front of it. The back side I'll cut out and mark very lightly. First of all with a knife. Two or three passes with a knife takes it deep enough. Then using a 10-inch saw or a wee giant saw, I'll cut down my line. With the marking gauge, I'll mark the depth. Just make it the depth in the middle. Get your nose out of the scoop. Right, so important bit is, I want to sink the chisel in at the corner here and take the corner out. Decent tap's all I need. Next important bit, I want to nip out this wee area here at the back of the hinge. That will give me my depth. When the chisel goes through, I will see the point coming through and it won't burst out the back of the door. A wee shake. And just take that out. That's it. So, see this wee bit? See how I've got that out? So then, all I need to do take the hinge out, and I'm taking this out at an angle. You can see I've got the tip of my chisel on my gauge line. And I'm working up towards the piece that I nipped out at the start. Once I've got it roughly cut out like that, I can tidy it up gently by hand. So you see the angle. Can you see the angle here? So I'm deeper here. All I've got here is the thickness of the leaf. The thickness of one leaf at this side. I'll finish it by hand. You can see how the chisel is hitting the back of the housing. Again, since I've taken that check out at the back, I find that very beneficial. just clean out the back of it. Fits like a glove.